Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can clear Netflix history. So what you want to do is click on the right bottom corner to more, then scroll down below and click on account. And when you're going to be here, you just want to scroll down below and then you're going to see like your profile here. And you're going to see viewing activity. So you're going to be in profile, parental controls, and viewing activity. Click view. And right here, you can simply delete what were you watching, right? Clear, clear, and this is pretty much it how you do it. So you can also hide all, or you can download the viewing activity, but this is pretty much it how you do it. So you just press with 24 hours, the Queen Gambit will no longer appear in Netflix services. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.
Mm-hmm.